Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new update, almost a daily update on Xi or Xi Games, whatever you want to call it. We'll call it Xi in this video. It's a bit of an annoying name to pronounce the entire time, but it's fine. All right. We'll do a full update on that. I keep repeating that if you want, and I would definitely recommend you to check that out. If you want to know more about this project. And if you want to know, for example, why I bought this project for the long term, check out my second channel. All right, Cilinix Crypto Reviews, did a full review on there. Uploaded some great videos yesterday as well, at least I think, so check that out. But in this video, we'll focus on the technicals, which are, well, not equally, but they're also very, very interesting right now. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. Somewhere in January, we also have the Xi Games mainnet launching, so that's going to be great news. We'll still have to see how that develops, and then we'll also keep an eye on that to see how Xi is doing. But yeah, at this moment, look, purely technically, Xi is still very much bullish. All right, if you can see this, yesterday afternoon, we actually got this bullish breakout above the level between, I would say, $1 and 1.05. 1.05 is definitely the strongest level. There you also have a Fibonacci extension level, but a psychological level like $1 can never be overlooked. All right, so that's our main support. We've been holding that support. We've kind of tested our main resistance level, which in my eyes is 1.25. Again, minor psychological level, but also supported by a Fibonacci extension level. So look, purely technically, we'll just have to see which one of these is going to break first. Now, obviously, there are some other things we need to look at, and we will look at. But to keep it plain and simple, Xi is stuck between 1.25 and $1. One of those levels is going to break first. Which one is going to break first will determine whether Xi will remain bullish and will stick to this bull run, or that will have a pullback at the very least. All right. So to kind of figure that out, I mean, we have to look at multiple things. I mean, right now, first of all, let me quickly take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin itself is relatively strong right now. I mean, that's pretty good to see. I think we can get a bullish breakout, but that's, a bullish breakout, we'll always have to see, right? I mean, you cannot really predict that. So that's good. The market circumstances around Xi are decent. Now, the correlation between Bitcoin and Xi, even though it's not calculated yet, is probably not that high, so it doesn't matter that much. And Xi on its own, I mean, if we look at the momentum, you can see that really peaked yesterday when we had that last push and that last breakout. And since then, we've had one big drop. This is whale behavior. One big sell-off, or at least one big position closure. That was probably right here. And now the momentum is kind of flat. It recovered and is now flat. So this is neutral. All right, this is neither bullish nor bearish. It just, the thing is that it really, what's going to happen with the price really depends on how the momentum and how the open interest develops from here on out. And that is something that I cannot accurately predict. I mean, I would say at this moment, look, the volume is also dropping down a bit. The only way in which Xi can actually continue going up is if the volume gets higher than this, right? So if it gets up to 700 million, then a breakout above 1.25 and a continuation up to 1.5 is a possibility. And at this moment, I mean, I would also say that this is still most likely because it's in line with the current market structure. But the thing is that at this moment, I would not buy Xi. Because, like I said, the momentum growth is not there anymore. And then apart from that, we've also seen a pretty big sell-off last night. So I would say, look, it's waiting for some sort of a breakout. I would say that this level right here at 95 cents for Xi is also still support. So at this moment, I think it's most likely that we'll kind of get into those support levels. And I think that with the market structure, we're going to be able to hold that. And then eventually, at some point of time, the momentum will increase again. And then we can get that bullish breakout. But that bullish breakout is what I still think is most likely. It's just that I think it's a bit more likely that we'll consolidate and just lay back for a little bit right here. All right. So those are my thoughts. All right. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group where we also bought Xi down here at around 65 cents. So pretty good investment so far, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.